I want to do a little shout out for Stuart. Thanks for watching, mate. It was nice meeting you. There's Brian turned up. He slept in his van last night. In the car park. We made it back down. It was foggy all the way down there. So now we're going to some other location.
Have you made the mistake?
Oh, his bed, yeah, I know. Luxury.
There you go, not bad, eh?
I had the iPad up there and the JBL Go speakers surround sound watching a movie last night, laying down.
This is what happens, see, when you get a van. You never go back out in a tent, don't you know? And you become a wild car park camper.
It's easier to go on the hikes and then come back to the van because no matter what, you're always dry and everything. Only thing is you gotta.
But there we go. I see we've got the supplies here as well. The Cronenbergs.
Those I had two last night.
A couple of them. So that's us. We've came to, what's the place again, Eddie? It's Tentsmuir, isn't it? Tentsmuir. And that's where I've set up my tent. Eddie's got the Eddie's kitchen on the go here.
Yep.
We're having some dippy and soup.
Dippy and soup.
Dippy and soup.
Dippy and soup.
So we're having a roll and a soup. There we go. Lovely. So we're not very far from 2 minutes and I come back and Brian's eating it. Robin's Rapture. Nice one, Brian. Eddie's tent, the solo. There's Brian, he's appeared. He's been asked to reappear, so for someone wanderer, Brian's back out for you. He's made an appearance. So there's where the car is, if you can see. We're really not far to walk, it's more of a car camp type thing really. But yeah, that's how far we are from the beach. As this. But yeah, we're in a kind of big forestry, woodland, pineland. Yeah, it's a couple of pounds to come in to park. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah, there's the beach. That's where the car park is, if you can see. So, yeah, we're not the very nice, little woods, my kind of place. So yeah, I'm going to go and have some lunch, have some dippy and soup as Eddie calls it. So
this is used to people camping here. Watch your shadow there. He's a big healthy guy, dude. Yeah. Look at the size of his body.
good picture yesterday.
Yeah.
He was about to turn around, don't go any closer.
He's got conjunctivitis in his eyes.
You say what?
Conjunctivitis.
In that right eye?
Yeah.
What the hell is
Right
it?
there.
So I'm sure I've done a video.
We've got Halloween stuff. Did you bring any Halloween? No.
There's my tent set up.
I've got something. A Halloween thing. I can come out the woods. That would be good. I can either come out of June.
You're spoiling my video here, Eddie. Shh.
Right.
He's giving my secrets away.
Right.
I wasn't going to tell anybody, but it's Halloween.
Halloween.
Shh.
A French maid outfit.
Nah.
Maid outfit.
I've got a big machete thing with me. It's about this long. A cut-on plastic thing.
Hey, that we could do a wee film then. Seriously.
Yeah.
I could do my thing, but I've told Stuart seen it. I put it on in the motor, and people were going like, yeah. So I can come in the woods, and then you can attack me with a machete.
Aye.
Ah, you'll see it when I put my thing on. You'll see what I mean.
I'll set up my DSLR up. Right.
I'll put it on, and then I could be sitting down, I can keep up with my whatever I've got.
So we took a little walk down to the beach. There's Eddie. And we're going to camp this way over there, the trees. So yeah, we're looking for some firewood. I think I can see one there. I'll see if Eddie can bring that log with him. Do you reckon you could manage that yourself, Eddie? The firewood? Just put it over your shoulders. Get the two of them.
No doubt about it.
Can't get far down when there's pine trees. So the roots are surface.
I was referring to the grassroots of it. You hear him chiseling through.
Yeah.
What you need to do straight and then
Yeah,
that'll roll
yeah.
back and then straight. Kind of what I mean.
Yeah, the bushcraft.
Had to mute the video, sorry, it was because of bad language. Not naming any names, Brian.
I've had fire, a lot of camps I go through making fires, but I've never myself.
You go solo? I did. I went out in the van the other week. I had stepbrothers, firewood and strip out that blanket station.
You just roll that back.
Then now we
You
gotta
can.
just roll that.
Yeah, but
There you go. You can roll it. That's all it is. You're rolling sod right now.
that's it.
There you
That's
go,
it.
folks.
That's, you can get a job
got
on the
that
plant.
shit.
You can get a job on the plantation now.
Yeah, there we go. That's how you do it. And then after we're finished, we'll just put the grass back down.
And it'll all still be alive. Nothing dies.
Yeah.
You smell with them roots? You got it?
That's it.
There you go. Just one strip up.
Yeah.
Do. It's not the fact that it just brings you like happiness doing it for you, but it brings happiness to the other person that you're doing it for.
Well, she messaged Sarah and says that she says I helped her, Brian.
Okay, you did.
It's your spade, Eddie.
Oh, I'm so glad that Stuart was there. I'm like, I didn't even do anything.
No, it's okay, dude.
Right next to your table.
At least you got the respect. It's cool. Remember you didn't get along with her when you were a kid, but as an adult, now you get along.
Nah, she lives in Ireland now.
Oh no, she moved. You told me.
She
like
moved, that, yeah.
like not too long after. All right, I need some Vaseline and a cotton thing. Who's got the cotton and Vaseline?
Are you? Well,
I mean, I can do it the other way.
yeah, so.
Just where's my lighter? It's in my pocket.
Wait, you want Vaseline?
Dude, you got the Vaseline?
I might as well.
Get the cameras. Get it all.
Might as well.
Hurry it up.
Brian, he's going to make the fire.
All right, guys. What I'm using is a little bit of Vaseline on a cotton ball and another little thing to keep it started. Built this in like a little square. Drop this guy down in there. See how he stays lit? Put him down in there.
And see how we just used a lighter. People will probably get annoyed and say that's not bushcraft. And see,
Sorry, I've been smoking cigarettes.
see fire steels, they're all man-made things. Me and Matt were talking about this. We were saying,
If he was a man-made thing.
I know fire steel's man-made, so's a lighter. Because my wife Sarah, she says that, why do you not use a lighter? Blah blah blah. So it's just a quick fire. We all know how to use fire steels and flint and steels and all that kind of thing. So we're just getting the fire ready.
So another, what, 10 minutes and we should have a good flame.
Oh, we should, yeah. We'll be cooking with gas, as I love to say. We'll be getting the steaks on.
That was right, Ma. Hey, anyone got seasoning? I didn't make a seasoning pouch this time.
No, I never
usually make a garlic, salt, and shit.
So Brian's back, he's been back for 10 minutes and he's took over. He's done the cooking. So we're having steaks for dinner.
Sunrise until what, 6, 7?
I'll tell you, hold on. Dude, I got an ass of people coming back to my Instagram account now. We got like almost more followers now than I had like 80 people, but like I just only reactivated it like the other day and attempted at it. I think Mark, you still gotta add me back or something
What's that?
to Instagram. I think I'm following you, but you're not following me.
I don't know. Folk follow me, but...
No, as you gotta follow me back again.
And we're just having.
Just medium, yeah.
Alright, well it's about to come off. I'm only doing one more flip and it's off. Yeah, those will be ready in like in a minute. So we need some plates.
That's me, yeah. I don't have a plate.
I got that right there.
Oh, I've got a frying.
Brian, he's already cooked this.
I just put a little bit of butter on mine. About to cut into it the first time. Nice little medium steak there, waiting on the mushrooms, and then some pasta. I got a little side of pasta for everyone. It actually went well. But it tastes delicious with the butter.
Oh, I've never even seen your camera there, Stuart. Is that recording? It is, aye. I've been standing in front of it, man. Sorry.
That's fine. Here, thanks. Thanks, you're here, yours.
Just don't worry. I take care of other people before I take care of myself. Mark will tell you I was supposed to be a minister.
There's Brian's steak.
No, these are Eddie's. Ours are already down. I gotta open up the gap in here.
Eddie's blue steak.
Eddie gets two, you get one each.
Dude, you want some butter for your steak? You need to go back and forth, back and forth.
Stir fried mushrooms.
Go like a little bit more. There you go. And get the caps to spin a little bit because the tops of them burnt. Want the stems down, the tops up. Either that, they're gonna be nice and.
An action shot, Stuart, cheers.
I know, got a kitchen action shot. How you doing?
I got some. I wasn't looking, but then I just caught my eye. What's that? You calling a frying pan a flames it? So here's my two steaks and some mushrooms getting done. Good stuff.
Get some bear mushrooms in that one.
Thanks to the shark. Good stuff.
Mushroom shrink.
We need just a little bit of water on the boil to go for the pasta. Everybody can get a couple of spoonfuls of pasta and stuff.
On those, really.
You're hungry.
These are looking excellent, dude. Get a couple of those now. Let me get a couple of those out of that. Take some mushrooms down.
Oh yeah.
That's good. These are your things. There you go. Is that right, Ramsey?
What the fun there, what?
Kitchen one. Started working in the kitchen when I was 16. Watch it, the caps might get burnt like that. Alright. You know what? I get that low. Get that low. Okay, good thing that they're talking. Force it. I got you. Alright, you ready? Yeah. No worries. Hey, give me 2 seconds, I'll give someone a plate.
That's a smoky fire.
You never want to plate.
There's my dinner ready. I'm having a beef steak with mushrooms. And as always, it's all mine! Ha!
Ross, Wild Scotland, is that who you were talking about?
Yeah, Ross.
I
He's a
just
good guy.
commented on some,
He's a good guy.
I caught him on Instagram, right.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
Ross, Wild Scotland, 2 minutes from my house.
There's a little fire gun. So we're just sitting around the fire. We're going to chill. Chill around the fire. It's getting a bit dark now, so not really much filming we can do. Had my dinner. Lovely steak that I had. So I'll bring you back in the morning.
There's also clean.
How do you do it, Mark? Oh! What's that? Is that a scary monster? Oh!
Alright, you not got a head torch?
Oh!
I think I got it in the van.
Alright, just you might poke your eye out, we've walked into a nearly done that myself. What is that?
There's the bogeyman coming in, look. You're on camp, mate.
Can I help you?
That was actually pretty good, dude. Like the body movement and everything. Great with that. Because it's like, yeah. He hasn't checked the message yet. So either he's might be driving down or not.
Who's this?
Ross, I don't know. He might be on the way or. He sent it 2 hours ago, but he's 2 minutes down the road, so he would have been here already, wouldn't he?
Yeah, where was he?
He said that a couple of days ago he'd be here.
I won't put this box in there then, since you're fine. Survive the winter. Yeah. Mr. Peter Cocktail.
So it's about 10:30. We went a little walk, just down the beach and that there. Here's what I'm having. I'm going to have a Whisper. We can see that. Yeah, Whisper, hot chocolate. Get the stove on the go. So there we go, my Whisper's ready. I'm going to go and drink that and get ready for bed. So yeah, I've had my hot chocolate and I'm all dressed for my bed. I've got my softy jacket on, my thermal top, 2 base layers. Hate being cold, and my thermal trousers, so I'm off to bed. Oh man, there's where our campsite area is, where we're camping. Mine's the big Alps mountaineering tent. This is the option. This is Elleberg Solar. Yeah, it's been a good camp here. Yeah, had a little fire last night. Had steak and mushrooms, and Brian came over. He stayed in his van. Yeah, I showed that earlier in the video. He's set up in his van, so he's away back now. He's back to work. He had one day off. Sorry, when was it? Oh no, he was working Monday, so he came late Monday night, and then we met up with him on Tuesday morning, and then he came here on Tuesday. So this is now Wednesday morning. So I think we'll be packing up and heading home after this. Cool little spot. Oh, very nice. Brew time. Got the kettle on. Gotta get the lid on. But yeah, that was a good sleep. I enjoyed that better than being on the hill that we were on, East Lomond or West Lomond, whatever it was. I don't really think the hills are for me. I don't mind walking on them, but sleeping on them, I think I'm more used to this kind of down. I'm not really a hill camper. But brew time. Morning, Eddie.
I had a bad sleep again. I'm not doing very well.
Right, okay.
I tried a wee vid last night with Halloween, don't know, didn't turn out alright. Never mind. I had a Halloween theme, but it was too dark really, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think we should have tried it later.
Tried it in a wee, wee bit of light left.
Yeah, but...
This is Sid the Zombie. He might be making a regular appearance in my winter trips. Sid the Zombie. Right. Cup of tea time. Even zombies need tea.
Yeah, check Eddie out if you've not already. Put my kettle back on. There we go. There's my tea ready. So, this is a cup of tea, and I've put some of the powdered milk in the Marvel. I always bring a little bag with me. I was asked if it goes lumpy and things, but look, it's always fine for me. But you really need to get the water really warm, really hot. See if you put it in when the water's not like boiling, it goes kind of lumpy. So that's what I'm just saying because somebody asked me, but I can't remember the person's name.
Hello.
I think that was Mark. I thought that was somebody saying hello to me there. But I think that was Mark in his tent, look. Hello! There's Eddie up there, look, chilling, hanging out the tent. I do like that tent. See I like the green colour. I think the green's the best. But Eddie loves his red.
Gotta be red. Gotta be red, Helen.
I like the green. Look, it'll go with my jacket, wouldn't it? Green, all the way. None of this red stuff. Shh. He's got red socks as well. Look. Shh.
Yeah. Red bag.
Even though red's my favourite colour, but...
Red bottle. Red stove. Look.
Oh no, I've got a red bottle. It's in the car. Got my blue one with me. But yeah, I do like red, but I don't know, I prefer the green tent. Oh, I see, if I was to get everything red, I'd be copying you, Eddie.
That's right.
You've already got Mark doing that. Prophecy prepper. Right, I'm going to go. So that's where the fire was. You wouldn't even know that we had a fire here. We dug the grass out, and we re-put the grass back in. We covered it with the pine leaves and pine needles and all that kind of thing. So you wouldn't even know that we had a fire, would you? There is a fire pit already here, but because we had our tents, it's not the best positioned, was it? But that's us. We're all ready to go. As always, no mess been left, no big bags of rubbish. We've got one rubbish bag here. and we'll take that away with us. There's my bag over there. What bag is it? I've got the low alpine one. I've got the exact same bag as Mark here. Look. So if Prophecy Prepper's watching,
My gear.
I've copied Mark, but
He's copied me, Mark.
I know I've copied. I'll leave Mark to copy Eddie. There's Mark. Check him out if you've not got him in your channel. I'll say that again. That was people didn't understand that. Check him out if you're not subscribed to Mark and Eddie.
Thank you, sir.
Eddie's doing Glen Nevis next week, so yeah, oh, you'll love that. I've been to Glen Nevis, but
If we get snow, that'll be a good video, really good. It'll be good anyway, but you get snow.
it'll be awesome if Eddie's there with the snow. And we've been to Glen Nevis, but Eddie and that are doing Fort William all the way to Courier Station, so awesome. So yeah, check Eddie out, Scottsville camper. So that's us, we're ready to go. Rock and roll.
So that's the end of another event.
Yeah.
The next planned trip's December, as I said. Up in Fecky. Hopefully get some.
Oh yeah, see, I'm listening to Mark here. My next trip's December, camping trip, so we're going to Glenfeshie. I forgot. So yeah, me and Eddie and Mark are all going to Glenfeshie. Oh yeah, I got this little footage of this rabbit in here, right? I think the rabbit's got myxomatosis or something. You want to see the state of its eyes. But we'd put 2 mushrooms here, but I see they're still there.
He doesn't like mushrooms.
Nah.
He must be well in his wee hut. But anyway guys, till the next time. Goodbye.
But yeah, that's us. We're off. Thanks for watching. Eddie, should you be showing that in the video? What have you been doing in the woods?
Where's Brian gone?
Where's Brian? Where's Brian?
We've lost a man. We've lost a man, but we don't know what happened.
Da-da-da-da.
We cooked him and ate him.
Maybe I shouldn't be filming this, should I? But yeah, he's somewhere down here. But no, Brian left. He left early. He's away back to work. So that's us. We're on our way home. It's the beach that we're at. Lovely. Apparently you can go way down through this forest and it takes you down to an ice house. But we didn't really go. It was just more like a kind of chill camp. Chilling. So car's just over here. So heading home. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Cheers.